Hey everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how to extract WhatsApp group contacts to Excel. So, let's get started. First, open WhatsApp Web on your PC. Once you are there, now, select the group from which you want to copy numbers. Once you are there, you will see group members' numbers at the top. Right-click on it, and then click on the Inspect. After that, you will see all the numbers of the members that are in the group. So, right-click on the number, and then from the menu, click on the copy, and then click on the copy element. Once you're done, now, open Excel on your PC. Once you are there, right-click, and then click on the paste. When you do this, all the WhatsApp contact that you are copied will be added in Excel. And that's how you can extract WhatsApp group contacts to Excel. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.